While everyone is chasing electronics and textiles, there is a silent industry in India generating 50 to 70% margin. No hype, no noise, just enzyme. Powering food, pharma, biofuel, and detergent worldwide. And almost no one is talking about. Every time you eat bread, wash clothes, process leather, or produce ethanol, industrial enzymes are working behind the scene. This is not a niche. This is a 12 to 14 billion dollar global market today and expected to cross over 20 to 25 billion dollar by 2030. But here is the real opportunity. Most buyers in the US, Europe, and Latin America are still overpaying while India quietly built one of the strongest enzyme manufacturing ecosystem in the world. What are industrial enzymes? Industrial enzymes are biological catalysts used to speed up chemical reaction in industries. Key type: amylases, food processing, starch breakdown; proteases, detergent and leather; lipidases, dairy biodiesel; cellulases, textile biofuel; pectinases, fruit juice clarification. Global market and demand. Current market size $13 billion. Expected CAGR 6 to 8% annually. Future projection $22 to $25 billion by 2030. Top demand sector: food and beverages 35%, detergents 25%, biofuel rapid growth, pharmaceuticals high value niche. Top importing countries: United States, Germany, France, Brazil, China. This country import heavily because high consumption industries, strict quality and standards, expensive local production. Top exporting countries: Denmark, USA, China, India, fastest growing players. Why India is becoming a powerhouse? This is where it gets interesting. India has 5 unfair advantages. Number 1, low production cost, 20 to 40% cheaper than Europe. Number 2, skilled biotech workforce. Number 3, strong fermentation infrastructure. Number 3, government push for bio-based industry. Number 5, massive raw material availability. Indian manufacturers are already supplied to global detergent brands, food processing companies, ethanol plants, but still global buyers are underutilized in India. The hidden margin. This is the gold. Here is what most people don't see. Factory price in India $2 to $5 per kg bulk enzyme. Export price $6 to $12 per kg. Branded international reseller $15 to $30 per kg. That is where the real arbitrage lies. If you are sourcing smartly, you can double margin or outcompete existing suppliers in your market. Import export reality. India export enzyme to 90 plus countries. Major port: Mumbai, Chennai, Mundra. Typically MOQ 500 kg to 1 ton. Shelf life 6 to 12 months. Many global buyers still rely on middlemen, distributors instead of sourcing directly. That is where money is lost. If you are a distributor, importer, or manufacturer and you are looking to source high quality industrial enzyme directly from India, I help global buyers find verified supplier, negotiate better pricing, handle export logistics, reduce sourcing risk. No middleman, no inflated pricing. Just direct access to Indian enzyme ecosystem. Reach out and I will show you exactly how this works.